So let's get into some pure algebra here. Let's actually compose functions algebraically. No numbers, lots of algebra, lots of x's and all that other stuff thrown in there. Okay, here we go. Let's talk A. First things first, again, deal with the innermost function. So this is g of f of x. In other words, you're taking f of x and putting it inside g. Okay, so there's g, which is, I'm going to write it as 2 blank minus 3, and I'm going to take my f of x, and I'm going to chuck it in there. Well, f of x is 1 minus x squared. Ooh, this is so tough. This distribute is going to give you 2 minus 2x squared minus 3. Combined like terms, you got minus 2x squared. That and that gives you minus 1. There's your function. Done. That's g of f of x. I think it's harder to write this part out than actually solving it, isn't it? Okay, but what if you're given something like this? G of x. So what? Take g of x, just substitute it back into g of x. Okay, so what am I talking about here? Well, here's g of x, and we're going to substitute into here g of x. Oh my God, yeah, that's so much fun. Look at this. Again, 2 times 2, 4x, minus 6, minus 2. The result is 4x minus 8. Wow, not tough at all, is it? Okay, keep on going. Look at this one, f of g of x. Now, again, I've lost the g of x's and all that other stuff, so I'm going to rewrite them right now. Where are you? There you are. Don't forget that f of x, 1 minus x squared. G of x, 2x minus 3. Okay, perfect. Now, let's answer the question. What if this one says g of x now is substituted into the f of x? Okay, so what? Give me the f of x, 1 minus bracket squared. Take the g of x, throw it in there. 2x minus 3. Now, here's the big mistake. You especially see this with grade 10s. They forget that this does not mean distribute this power. This actually means 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. But you guys are like math 30s. You know that, right? I hope. Okay, so, dun da da da, right? FOIL 4x squared. This is going to give you minus 6x and another minus 6x, which gives you minus 12x. And then minus 3 times minus 3, 9. Don't forget that you had a 1 here, and this is all subtracted. Whoa, that's going to be interesting. And there's another big mistake people forget, is they forget that they have to distribute that negative. All right, so this is 1 minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 9. Combine the like terms here, which of course is this and this, giving you minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 8. There's your answer. All right? So this isn't always as tough as it sounds. It actually works out quite nicely, doesn't it?